Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Crystal. Today I will be showing you how to make Chile Verde using your very own homemade Chile Verde sauce. You will need 1 Poblano Chile, quarter onion, 2 garlic cloves, 6 Chiles Serranos, a small bunch of cilantro, 4 green tomatoes, salt, and chicken bouillon seasoning. Take the chiles, green tomatoes, quarter onion, and the 2 garlic cloves and roast them on a pan over high heat. For the meat, you will need pork shoulder or pork butt. I purchased my meat already cut. However, I don't like these big chunks of meat, so I will be cutting it into smaller pieces. As your veggies finish roasting, you will begin adding them to the blender. I have added in my garlic cloves, now it's the cilantro, and I will continue with the chiles. And now I am adding in my roasted green tomatoes. There's no particular order to follow when adding in your ingredients to the blender. I'm simply adding in the ingredients that have finished roasting first. Once you get all your veggies added into the blender, you will add in a cup of water and season with a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of chicken bouillon seasoning, and you will blend all together. Once that is all blended, set your Chile Verde salsa aside while you cook your meat. This part is very important. Do not add in any oil to your meat, as we will only be cooking the meat with water. Add in about a half cup of water. The water should never cover the meat. It should just be enough to see through the spaces of the meat. Cook the meat over medium heat, but be sure to leave the pan uncovered so that the meat absorbs all the water. It has been about 40 minutes, and as you can see, the meat has absorbed all the water. At this point, you will allow the meat to begin frying. Do not add any oil. Once the meat begins to fry, you will season it with salt. After frying the meat for about 5 minutes, you will now add in your Chile Verde salsa. Bring the meat to a boil, cover your pan, lower your heat to medium-low, and allow for that to cook for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your Chile Verde is done. You may remove from heat and serve. Like most of my dishes, I enjoy my Chile Verde with Spanish rice as well as homemade corn tortillas. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon. Thank you guys so much for watching Cooking with Crystal.